Welcome back to What Gear Reviews, and today I'm going to show you guys how you can level up your smartphone videos using this. So this is the Shure MV88 microphone for your smartphone or tablet. Now if you're not familiar with Shure mics, you should know these guys have been in business since 1932, so they've got a world of experience behind them, and this mic here is incredibly premium, and of course you're going to get an amazing premium sound from it. So if you want to start a YouTube channel, you're probably going to start making videos with just your phone. The problem is a lot of phones don't have really amazing mics on them. You get okay sound. Video quality, however, is pretty good now on smartphones, but one of the areas which is very important when it comes to making videos is the audio, and that's why this product is so useful. So the version of the mic that I have here is the MV88 Plus with the video kit. So it comes with the Manfrotto stand, which can be doubled up as a grip, and it actually folds down so you can use it as a tripod. It also comes with the grip for your smartphone, which then has the little mount there for the mic at the top. But this can be unfixed from the Manfrotto Pixie tripod and fitted to a selfie stick or a big tripod or anything like that. So you can literally use this however you want. So you can carry it around with one hand like this, or you can fold the legs out and then have it in a stationary position. Now let me tell you about some of the key features about this mic which make it really special. So when it comes to recording, you can record in 16-bit 48 kilohertz, which is good, or you can even record in full high-res audio 24-bit at 48 kilohertz. So we're talking about really professional level sound recordings here. And then there's an app that comes with it, which is really cool. So it comes with 5 presets. So you've got vocals. So if you just want to record voiceover for your videos, then you've got a setting which is specifically for singing and vocals. Then you've just got a flat sound signature. And then you've got live audio and also loud audio. For example, if you're at a concert or something like that, although you shouldn't really record that, you could, but maybe if you're doing a video shoot for someone who's got a band or something, you can use that setting there. And within the app, you can do other cool stuff like change the width of the audio. So you can narrow the width, which will block out a lot of the surrounding sounds and just get what's in front of the mic. And then you can widen that as well. So if you want to capture ambient sound in a particular area or something like that in a concert or something, for example. Then on the back of the mic, it's actually got a headphone jack. So you can actually plug a pair of headphones in and monitor the sound that you're recording. And within the app, you can adjust the gain as well. So you can tell if it's just blowing out a bit too much. So you can actually see and hear whether your mic is too loud or too quiet and adjust it on the fly. So it's like a professional portable recording kit which you can carry with you anywhere. I mean, look at the size of the mic, it's tiny. These parts all break down. You can chuck it in a small bag and carry it around with you. So now I know what you're thinking, that's all well and good, Troy, but how does this thing sound? So what I'm going to do now is switch to the selfie camera on this OnePlus 7 without the mic plugged in. I'll record a little bit of video for you, then I'll switch to the Shure MV8 mic and record another bit so you can hear the difference. And I'm interested to know what you guys think about the quality of this as well. So leave a comment below this video once you've heard the 2 samples. You ready? Let's go. All right, so this is the OnePlus 7 Pro, which is a brand new phone. I actually feel like it's one of the best phones this year so far. And this is the built-in mic. So let me know what you think about this sound quality. I know it's okay. The video quality is all right. It's a bit wobbly on the selfie camera. All right, so one thing you guys need to bear in mind if you're going to be using the mic with video on certain Android devices, you'll need the Motive video app, which is in beta right now. On iPhone, it will literally just work with your regular camera app. On the Pixel phone as well, I believe it will work with just your general camera app. But on the OnePlus 7, I do need to use the Motive video app, and that's what I'm using right now. The great thing about it is you can see where the audio is. You can switch between the Motive app and adjust the gain and stuff like this as well. Really cool. But most importantly now, guys, how does this sound in comparison to what you heard from the stock microphone on the OnePlus 7? And now I'm going to switch back to my video Rode mic with the SLR camera. So would I recommend it? I sure would. And I want to say thank you to you guys for watching this video. I'd appreciate a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Don't be late.